Morning, Puneet. Morning, Brahmara. Students, in the last class, we discussed oxidation number method. I given one homework also. Think. So, did you get the answer for that question? MnO4 minus plus SO32 minus for that question, I think. That only, na?
Yes.
That is not oxidation number method. That is half reaction method, na? Half reaction method also I given one example. Clear, students? Okay, na? Half reaction method I given one reaction, that is Br2 gives BrO3 minus plus Br minus. Another question, an oxidation number method. This is I given. Student agreed. Students, I given last question. MnO4 minus plus SO32 minus gives Mn plus 2 plus SO42 minus question. Did you solve that? Say, did you get the answers? Oh, okay, no problem. If you get the answers, no problem. Otherwise, I will do on board. Next, last one. Last type, disproportionation reactions. How to balance in oxidation number method. Sorry, oxidation number method. Now I will explain. Please observe carefully. Consider this reaction. P4 gives PH3 plus H2PO2 minus. So in basic medium, how to balance this reaction by oxidation number method. Now we will discuss. Are you ready, students? Next one is how to try your own. Say yes or no. Okay, done. This is zero oxidation state. This is minus 3. This is plus 1 for phosphorus ion. So here phosphorus undergoes oxidation as well as phosphorus undergoes reduction. So that's why it is a disproportionation reaction. Yes, isn't it? Students, any doubt in this? It is a disproportionation reaction. Okay. Now we have to write the differences carefully. Clear? 0 to minus 3 difference how much? 0 to minus 3 difference 3, but I will write 12.
12.
You think once why I am writing 12?
4
Yesterday
phosphorus
I
are
told
there.
you, four phosphorus atoms are there, na? So 0 to minus 3 difference 3 only, no doubt. I am not. I don't have any objection in that. 3 into, but 4 phosphorus we have, na? So 4 into 3. This is 12. Clear? Next. This is 0 to plus 1. Difference 1, na? But I will write 4. Why? 4 phosphorus atoms, na? So that's why I will write 4. Now we have to equalize these two numbers. Is these two numbers are equal? No. So that's why we have to equalize. This is 12, that is 4. So ಇದು into 3 ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು into 1. Okay, na? Now here one small change we have to do. Generally multiplying number we will write in coefficient, na? That is for general reactions, but it is a disproportionation reaction. We have to do one small change, that only you have to remember. This 3 we have to write here, this 1 we have to write here. In products side we have to write that numbers, not at reactants side. Clear, students? Now P4 gives pH3 into 1 only now, so that's why no need to write 1 plus 3H2PO2 minus. And now we have 4 phosphorus, here 1 phosphorus, here 3 phosphorus. Phosphorus atoms are balanced. Next, come to oxygens. P4 gives, no need to write this OH minus, pH3 plus 3H2PO2 minus. So we have here 6 oxygens. So we have to write 6H2O. Aita. Next, come to hydrogens. This is basic medium. Hydrogens, for deficiency of hydrogen also we have to write OH minus. Clear? Here 12 hydrogens we have. Here 6 plus 3. How many? 9. Still we have 3 less number of hydrogens. So write first 3H2O. 6H2O plus P4 gives pH3 plus 3H2PO2 minus plus 3H2O. Now here total hydrogens we count now. This side total hydrogens 3 plus 6 plus 6, 15 we have. But here 12 we have. So that's why we have to write here 3OH minus. That's all completed. So trim this reaction. Here 6H2O is there, here 3H2O is there. So we have to simplify that as 3OH minus plus 3H2O plus P4 gives pH3 plus 3H2PO2 minus. This is the final answer. Okay. You check yesterday starting, this is I did in basic medium. You check once whether you are getting the same answer or not. In a ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದೇ problem. P4 problem. Final answer check ಮಾಡಿ reactants ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Same, sir.
Same sir. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, again I will explain.
No doubts.
So once again explain, sir.
First, oxygen deficiency. I think you don't have any doubt with these differences. Clear? Any doubt?
So once again you explain how we got 12.
Again you are asking. 0 to minus 3 different system.
3.
3. Okay, na? But how many phosphorus we have?
4.
3 into 4?
Yes, sir. 12.
12. Clear? Next. 0 to plus 1 difference, how much?
1.
1. How many phosphorus?
4.
4 into 1?
4.
4. Aita? Next. I equalized these numbers. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Now, what is the number I am using for multiplication? That we have tried products side here, not at reactants side. Okay, na? So this is I multiplied with 3, so that's why I am writing this 3 here. This is I multiplied with 1, so that's why I am writing here. Next, if you write like that, phosphorus atoms are balanced, but hydrogens, oxygens are not balanced. Yakandre ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 oxygens ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ oxygens ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6H2O ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 plus 3 9 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು 3 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 3H2O iron. If you write like that, again you will get high oxygens, sorry, hydrogens 3 hydrogens less, so that's why I wrote 3OH minus. Final ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್? And check this one. Already you did yesterday this one. Br2 gives BrO3 minus plus Br minus. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ತರನೇ ಮಾಡಿ. This is now we have to do fast completed.
that is also alkaline medium.
Yes, all disproportionation reactions are takes place in alkaline medium only. Okay, na? Bega madam, please make it fast. It's completed.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
So 6OH minus plus Br2
Wait,
give rise to
1 minute, ma. Your name?
sir Bandhavya.
Bandhavya. Say Bandhavya.
6OH minus plus Br2 give rise to BrO3 minus plus 5Br minus plus 3H2O.
6OH minus plus 3Br2, na?
No, sir, Br2.
Check once. 3Br2 you will get.
So once you do it,
Ma?
Once can you do on the board, sir?
Sir, you do, sir, on board.
Then what you will do? You will copy.
because and balance it's not coming.
Cross check, sir.
Yes, sir. Balancing is not coming.
Why not coming? I will show. You are not writing differences correctly. That's it.
It's a
You won't get.
3Br2, sir.
Huh?
It's a 3Br2, sir.
3Br2 you will get. 0. This is plus 5. This is minus 1. 0 to plus 5 difference 5. 5 into 2 10. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ.
No, sir. Here I did correct. Later I didn't get, sir.
0 to minus 1 the difference 1. 1 into 2 2. 2 into 5 10 into 1. ಈ 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. Now 5 plus 1 6 BR ಇದೆ left right side 3 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Next oxygens. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 oxygens ಇದೆ. 3 H2O plus 3 Br2 gives rise BrO3 minus plus 5 Br minus. Next hydrogens. So 6 ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ hydrogens ಇಲ್ಲ plus 6 H2O as it is equation plus 6 H2O. ಈ ಕಡೆ 12 hydrogens ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು 6 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 OH minus. So ಇದು simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So final answer 6 OH minus plus 3 Br2 gives rise BrO3 minus plus 5 Br minus plus 3 H2O. Why you won't get ಬರ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ check once where you did mistake. Now open materials, objective materials.
Sir, 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 I got in half reaction method. Sir, I got Br2 plus 6OH minus gives rise to Br minus plus BrO3 minus plus 3H2O, sir.
Say once again.
Sir, Br2 plus Sir, Br2 plus 6OH minus gives rise to Br minus plus BrO3 minus plus 3H2O, sir.
How you will get balance, bromine?
Sir, it is balanced, sir.
How balanced?
Sir, atoms are balanced, sir. Equal number of atoms are there.
Equal number of atoms, how you will get balance? Charges, how you will get balance? In a half reaction method also you will get the same like that only. Compulsory you will get 3 Br2. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hello? ಈ 6 12 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ even numbers means you have to cancel 12 OH minus ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ತ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 2 3 ಜಾ next open objective materials. Level 1 questions. How many are completed in level 1? Make it fast. Page number 437. Types of redox reactions completed. Completed. Material. Types of redox reactions. Go and bring one material. Students, No response today. I think you are not in active mode.
No, sir. It is not
Huh?
complete. Not
Not
completed.
What not completed?
Types of redoxia.
Completed, sir.
Types of redox
Completed, sir.
reactions. I know. I ticked already up to that point. Again, you are
Page
saying not completed. Last types redox reaction is exothermic reaction. I told na.
Ah, yes. Okay, sir. Completed, sir. Sorry, sir.
Next. Question number 50. Students, question number 50. Page number 437. Make it fast. I repeat. Page number 437, question number 50. Page number 437, question number 50. Which of the following reaction is balanced? Check once.
So fourth option, sir. ASO4 to minus 2.
All are equal number.
Sir, all are
Fourth option.
The second option, sir.
Second option. Check once. Check once and say.
Second option, sir.
4 hydrogens, 12 oxygens, 12 oxygens. Second option, Alva.
Yes, sir. Second option.
Second option is correct one. Hydrogen say illa alva. Fourth option alli. Right side, left side. How it is balanced. Second option is correct. Next. Question number 51. In the ionic reaction, BiO3 minus plus 6H plus X number of electrons gives Bi plus 3 H2O. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? BiO3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron, right opposite side 1 electron. Next H plus ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
6 electrons.
Same side 6 electrons. Next go to that side, Bi plus 3, right 3 electrons same side. Next
So 2 is the answer.
right side total how many electrons? 4.
Difference we have to do.
Right side total electrons 4.
Yes, sir.
Left side 6.
6.
4 minus 6, 2 electrons. So 2 electrons is the answer. ಇದೆಯಾ 2 electrons ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಡ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್? ಭ್ರಮರ,
No doubt, sir.
ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ, ಅರ್ಪಿತಾ?
No doubt, sir.
ಅಕ್ಷಯ್?
Understood, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. Question number 52. In the redox reaction, KMnO4 plus NH3 gives Y number of KNO3 plus MnO2 plus KOH plus H2O. What are X and Y? This I will solve. Please observe. KMnO4 plus NH3 na gives KNO3 plus plus H2O. Kilometer on the equation. Plus 7 plus 4 manganese I am telling. Okay, difference system plus 7 to plus 4, difference 3. Next, nitrogen minus 3 alva,
Minus 3.
plus 3 na minus 3 kadamma, minus 3 alva.
Minus 3 I said, sir.
Idu plus 5 ah, say K plus 1, no? Oxygen minus 2. You will get nitrogen plus 5. Minus 3 to plus 5 different system. 8. 8. It is 3. Okay, na? It is 3 into 8. That is 8 into 3. It is 8 illu bariyirama. Okay, na? Illi 8 agutte. Next is 3 illi bariyir. 3 agutte. ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಮ್ಸ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ KMnO4 ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 8, KNO3 ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 3 ಇದೆಯಾ? Students, you are not responding.
First option.
Are you understood this? I am asking that.
Yes, sir.
Clear na?
Yes, sir.
We did not this type of problems.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not. So I repeat, manganese important amma, yakandre manganese shows variable oxidation states. Adu D block element. Okay, manganese +7 to +4, difference 3 I wrote. Next nitrogen ತಗೋಬೇಕು. nitrogen ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ +5, difference 8. ಅದು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ question number 53. Equation, read equation. Few members are not responding. Once I want to touch them. Channa Basvaya, do you have material?
Yes, sir.
Your name please, ma?
Sir, Shilpa.
Okay, Shilpa. How are you, Shilpa? Nice to meet you.
Fine, sir. You?
Yeah, fine. Nice to meet you. Material ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir, ಇದೆ.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್?
Yes, sir, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Next. Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar L.
Yes, sir.
Your name Chandrasekhar? Chandrasekhar itself?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. Chirantan.
Yes, sir.
Are you following class?
Yes, sir.
Geeta Prasad. Geeta Prasad. May I know your name? Harshita Gowda. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Material ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಮ್ಮ?
ಇದೆ, sir.
Okay, okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್?
Sir, network problem ಇದೆ, stuck ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಏನಂತೆ? Okay, okay, okay. Nikhil. Hardik Pandya, DP. Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Are you following class, Nikhil?
Yes, sir. Following.
Okay, okay. Material ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಲಾವಣ್ಯ. ಲಾವಣ್ಯ. Okay. Later I will touch remaining members. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ IO3 ಮೈನಸ್ I minus gives H plus ಇದೆ, ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. H2O ಇರ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, I2. ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 3 into 2 minus
Plus 5, sir.
plus 5
Yes, sir.
ಇದು 0
0.
0.
Minus.
Minus 1.
plus 5 to 0 difference 5 minus 1 to 1
Sir, there is there no sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ to no need to consider reactants side to ಓಕೆನಾ
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಓಕೆನಾ ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 5 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಇದು 1 to 0 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3
We need to multiply 1 with 5 no sir. We need to multiply 1 with 5.
1 with 5 okay 5 1 with 5 next to 5 10
Sir, 150 minus, sir.
wait I will say don't worry
Yes, sir. 1 IO3, sir.
Sir, 150 minus,
1
sir.
IO3. 1 IO3 minus. Because 5 will multiply by 1, no, sir.
wait I will show answer don't worry 5 sorry plus 5 to 0 difference 5 ಇದು 1 to 0 difference 1 into 5 into 1 ಓಕೆನಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಈ 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ 5 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ 15 ಇದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 50 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30H plus ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ 35 5 5 15 ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ 5 6 ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6H plus plus IO3 minus plus I minus gives I2 plus 3H2O. The answer. H plus 6 amma. I minus H amma. Wait. This is calm proportionation reaction.
Sir, there we should write IO3 minus, sir. Not 5 IO3 minus.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Huh?
because 5 into 1 is 1 we have to write. 1 I go
Yes,
3
sir.
One
1 you have to
coefficient,
multiply.
yeah.
So 1 will be only IO3 minus.
What you are telling, I am not understanding even single word. Okay.
Sir, you written 5 IO3 minus, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
I minus 5
When you have written
Sir,
5
there you
IO3,
write
you have to
minus,
write
sir.
1, sir.
Sir, coefficient is 1, sir.
Okay. This is a
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When we multiply by 1, 5 into 1. 1.
This 5 are
Now everything will change, sir.
wait ma 1 minute. Sometimes understood. 2 plus 5 to 0 difference 5 okay na minus 1 to 0 difference 1 into 5 okay na IO3 minus plus
5 to 1, sir.
5 minus gives 3I2 alva ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ 5 plus 1 6 iodines na 3I2 3 oxygens here 3H2O 6H plus ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ H plus 6 I minus 5 Fourth option, sorry. First option,
First option.
now you got. Hello students, any difficulty? If you feel difficult, again I will explain. Yesterday I told now clearly you don't write H plus H2O. I repeat once again, please check. It is +5 iodine oxidation state. Here 0, here -1, here 0. +5 to 0 difference 5. -1 to 0 difference 1. Okay na? This 1 into this number equalize ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ 1 into 5. This 5 into 1. This 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Total iodines ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? Left side 5 plus 1 6 ಆಗಿದೆ. 3 2. Next we have 3 oxygens on left side, so we have to write 3H2O. Next here we don't have any hydrogens, so that's why we have to write H plus. 6H plus. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Clear now? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 54 already ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. ಡಬಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ. MnO4 minus C2O4 2 minus ಅದು very important example, particularly 54th question so many times same example asked. Can you do na? So while you are doing H plus and H2O you don't consider. H plus H2O you don't consider. You may write mistake, so that's why without writing H plus and H2O, see here also he given H plus H2O, but I did not implement it initially. Why? Because oxidation numbers we want to get a change in that H plus and H2O. You won't get any change, so later you will get automatically in equation that numbers, so that's why no need to write that H plus and H2O. So 54 already aitalva. Next question number 55 ma. What is the equation of 55? C2H6 plus O2 gives rise CO2 plus H2O. What is the name of this reaction, ma? Because the name.
Combustion reaction.
Very good. Combustion reaction. In chemistry, you should not forget some basic reactions. Okay, na? I know now henge balance ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, multiply with 3. Okay, now come to oxygens. 4 plus 3. Estama 4 plus 3 7. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? even number ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Write 7/2. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ? 3.5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 7/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3.5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಮ್ಮ? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you say coefficient of CO2 2. Coefficient of H2O? Okay, H2O ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ coefficients? CO2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್? 2:3. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಡೌಟ್? 55 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Tanisha.
No doubts.
Priyanka Tiwari.
No doubt, sir.
Murali Swami. Meenu.
No doubts, sir.
Lesika Kaveri. Okay, next. The titration question, consider a titration of potassium dichromate solution with acidified more salt solution using diphenylamine as indicator. The number of moles of more salt is required for dichromate. The experiment. So you please underline that question, round up that question that I will explain in titration questions. Next, for decolorization of 1 mole of KMnO4, the moles of H2O2 required is. Right equation, ma? 57, right equation. 2 KMnO4 plus 3 H2SO4 plus 5 H2O2 gives K2SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 plus H2O plus O2. H2O, how many? 8 H2O, 5 O2. So why I am writing this reaction means when KMnO4 react with hydrogen peroxide, KMnO4 react with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of acid, we will get these are the products. We will get these are the products. So according to this, how many moles of KMnO4 I have? 2 moles. How many moles of H2O2 I have? 5 moles. Here what is the question? The number of moles of KMnO4 required to decolorize 1 mole of KMnO4. Okay. So if you take 2 moles of KMnO4, 5 moles of H2O2. If you take 1 mole of KMnO4, how many we required? 1 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 moles of H2O2 we required. That is the answer. So this is a hydrogen peroxide unit, you will get this reaction.
So can you explain it again?
Ma?
So can you explain it again?
This is reaction, ma. Reaction between KMnO4 with H2O2. KMnO4 with H2O2 in the presence of acid, we require. See, these numbers are there, na? This 2, 3, 5. That numbers you will get by oxidation number method, like this. Equalize. Here manganese, you identify. Next, here sulfur not. Oxygen you take. Oxygen oxidation number is -1 idರಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು hydrogen peroxide. In peroxides, what is the oxidation state of oxygen? -1. Okay na? So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 0. -1 to 0 ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay na? ಇದು balancing H2O H plus ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ? While we are writing balancing reaction, then only now you will get H2O H plus. So that's why here also you don't focus on this H plus. The H plus yakandre H2SO4 gives H plus ions. Iduno aste H2O ions. Sorry, H2O molecules. So that's why you don't write these two. Automatically remaining you will get in balanced reaction. Clear? According to that, we have what is the coefficient of KMnO4? 2. 2 moles of KMnO4 required, 5 moles of H2O2. 2 moles of KMnO4 required, 5 moles of H2O2. So in the question he asked, 1 mole of KMnO4 requires how many moles of H2O2? Okay, 1 into 5 by 2. Cross multiplication. X is equal to 1 into 5 by 2. 2.5 moles.
Yes.
Next up, 58. Can you say answer? Simple answer. That you have to do hit and trial method. That's it. Second
2 and
option.
6.
2 and 6. Okay.
6.
2 and
Yes,
6.
sir. I got it.
2 and 6 you will get. Next ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತರ ನೋಡಿ 59 ವೆರಿ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. What he given ma? Say what he given? 2 P2O5 plus P4O10 plus X. Students, here we have 4 phosphorus. Say 4 cover ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 16 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ 10 ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಅನ್ಕವರ್ಡ್
6.
ಈ ತರ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ 6 ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು 2 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ 2 nitrogens I have to cover. So 2 nitrogens. ಇವಾಗ 6 oxygens H2O5 plus H2O. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 nitrogens cover ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next, out of 6 oxygens, 5 oxygens are bonded with nitrogen, 2 nitrogens. 1 oxygen is eliminated as water molecule. Andre product is this one. That's it. Okay. So N2O5 plus H2O, both you will get, but main term is N2O5. Why main term is N2O5 means this is acid ma. This is also acidic. So when acids react with hydrogen and oxygen containing compounds, it eliminates water. So the reaction name is itself dehydrating reagent. Dehydration means wherever hydrogen and oxygens are there, that removes water molecule from that place. That is the speciality of the acid. Suppose general example, H2SO4, if by mistake if falls on the skin, 1 or 2 drops H2SO4 by mistake falls on the skin, particularly that spot is converted into black color. Why? Because skin, your biology students know, skin is a hydrogenated tissue, means tissues are containing water molecules. Tissues are connected with water molecules. That means certain amount of moisture is present in the tissues. Whenever acid falls on that spot, it removes water from that place. So that's why it becomes colorless. It becomes colorless. So that is also known as a charring action of acid. Charring action means it removes water from that place. Not only that, you can observe best example, sugar. What is the color of sugar? White color. Okay, yes. If you add 1 or 2 drops of acid to the sugar, it becomes black color. Do you know why? Why? Because sugar formula ಏನಮ್ಮ C12H22O11. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If you add acid, it eliminates water. It eliminates water from that compound. So that's why hydrogen oxygen containing compounds react with P2O5, we will get water as a byproduct like this. Okay, na? Next, in the next class I will say redox reactions as the titrations. Possibility how much is there, that I will explain. Otherwise we don't have in our syllabus up to present. Next, that electrode process is there na, that is complete second PUC topic under electrochemistry. You will get same topic. Okay na? Next, If you have time, you please solve second level balancing redox reactions. Second level balancing redox reactions. Okay, now students?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Once you please follow that reactions, right? Without seeing in notebook, you just write the question and practice. You can understand easily. Simply again by copying from the notes means you won't get anything. So you please practice one acid medium, one basic medium, oxidation number methods. Okay, you won't forget easily. Otherwise, you have to struggle. Struggle means again you have to spare the time to understand. So to avoid that, you please in 10 minutes time you can write acid medium, basic medium. Write one or two examples you take and try to practice. Thank you. So chemistry is nothing but practice. Okay, synonym of chemistry is what? Practice. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much, children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.